Jackson County, Illinois, northeastern Bollinger County, Missouri, Perry County, Missouri, northwestern County, Missouri, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Alliance, 14 miles east of Fredericktown, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Perryville around 11:30 p.m. Daisy around 11:40 p.m. Altenburg around 11:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Old Appleton, Silver Lake, Gorham, Longtown, Frona, and Situateville. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 115 and 133. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Saturday for the following county: Jackson, Illinois, and the following counties in Missouri: Bollinger, Cape Girardeau, and Perry.